Alright, so thought I'd update everything. There's some of the red crown lettuce coming in, and that row just didn't grow. I think it was supposed to be spinach. And the onions are doing really good. The tomatoes are finally starting to fruit. Then I put a trellis on these. These are taking a long time to fruit, which sucks because they're supposed to be the big tomatoes. Like, they're still flowers. And the dill plant is like ridiculous. I might just need to take it down. Then the peas and cucumbers coming in slow. Sick pile of bottles, bro. That's a sick pile, bro. Like fucking 20,000 bottles, bro.